people, yeah, what a god! This is your girl, Raquel Russell, aka the Jamaican Aliberia. You know, some no work alone, so watch this.
Yo! This is your girl Francine, aka Mitchie Boo. And you don't know it is, you know. We are taking it to you, people. We are on our way to Constant Spring Golf Club. Yeah, man. Boom blast. Hey guys, this is your girl Francine, aka Mitchie Boo.
And this is your girl, the Jamaican Aliberry, Raquel Russell, right at you in Kingston, Jamaica. Look here. I'm very comfortable beside my friend. Yeah, man. You know which part we're there? Constant Spring Golf Club, right? Yeah, man. I'm here par with my brother Jerome. Yo.
Woo!
Yo. You see Jerome, eh? The man a driveway, you know, man. Yo, for one finger, one side, I'm the on the carry, you know. I can work all this. The vehicle, you know. So stay tuned, we have one heap of beautiful
All heap of things. But I want thing me afraid about, you know. On one side, I me catch off on the little piece of seat, you know. I mean, I tell you, I don't know, normal thing. But let me show you what go on, people. Watch it. Daddy, good morning.
Oh my
How you doing? Boy, you smile bright, me dear man. Yes, boy. Oh, we are babe. Daddy, me say your pleasantness, your face make me feel nice. Lord have mercy, you just a smile. So how you doing?
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
So see Raquel, she named Raquel, you know.
Okay.
She's the Jamaican Aliberry. Yeah.
Yeah, man. How we bring the buzz in and everything, you know? She had the boring one, me had the exciting one.
Jeez and Pim.
Yeah, man. So what is your name, sir?
My name is Barry G.
Barry G. Bagger.
Barry G. So hold on. So are you the original and anybody else a follow you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You are the original.
John was Storm. I like it.
How are you?
So how are this one going
Take a
on?
look how I go on here. So this is what? Eerie mango.
Yeah.
Here mango. Them sweet, Daddy?
What I don't know, I don't taste none.
You know.
You know,
I don't taste any of it.
okay.
Daddy, I want you teach me how to pick two mango. With the stick and all them something them. I want catch a pick off of them mango, yeah. Yeah.
So Mr. Barry G, so there's more fruits on this property, sir?
No.
Or just mango?
Mango, hockey, coconut and all them the thing there.
Oh yeah, say.
Hold on, look here. Watch her, you know, Mr. Barry G, car.
No man, she do it well.
People. You see Jamaica? Jamaica are the best place to be. Hey.
You're not a Jamaican.
Huh?
You're not a Jamaican.
I come here sometimes, you know. me born here, but me did travel go far in long time.
So you're growing in fire. You're
Yeah.
born in Jamaica.
Yeah,
and
man,
you're
me
growing
born in a fire.
Actually travel, yeah. Travel
grow in
regular.
foreign, yeah.
Right.
But sometimes I get confused, because I don't really remember when me there. Yeah.
Yeah, give me the pepper to eat.
Yeah, Barry. So it depends on when I remember me there. So I just talk accordingly.
Okay. Yeah, teach the people them mango with the accent though. That me like with you. Alright, people.
Yeah.
No make no noise.
Hear this now. Anywhere the stick can go, you find the nearest thing. So watch this.
Okay.
Pick 'em up.
A young mango, I want to man.
No, young.
No, that is not young.
You
That
not
is a
talk to
turn
them.
mango.
This
It's
is
a
a turn mango. So you like
So that
turn.
makes sense, a little mango that makes sense really?
Yeah,
Talk
makes
to it.
sense.
Daddy, me can get one of them, huh?
Yeah, you can.
So all this wash off now. You know,
I don't have any water.
you don't have no water, so how me gonna eat it?
You have to rub it off and clean it.
You have to rub
Yeah, rub it off and clean it. Rub it off.
I can't
Like when you have a whole shot, just use a whole shot where you have on.
People, remember, like, share, subscribe. Show now to eat mango. Right?
Dun.
Them say for rub it off.
So you rub it off in your dirty hand?
They go find some water and get back to them. I soon come.
Alright.
You know, press it. Press the gas, man. Oh, you trust your friend.
Like, share, subscribe. Let's go, boy.
You don't know what tamarind tree look like. See it there? I wonder if it's sweet.
You see this? Eh?
It make you
People.
when you eat it, you know, you're not people bed, you know.
What?
After people when where people bed eat tamarind.
So you want couple?
No man,
Yes,
that's how
Jerome.
you run
Yeah,
feed. Eat it now.
Hey, you see this? You can stew it. You can make it in a ball. You can just eat it from the very shell. I'm going to show you something. See it here? See it here, people. Tamarind. Right here, so. A constant spring. Go, watch this.
Let me see it. That one the sweet or it's sour. That one the bad. It cut nature to you know, so.
People.
Oh,
What?
That one is sour.
Monkey there. Very healthy though. I think a vitamin C. Google it. You know, say, we always tell you for Google the thing for know
Yeah
what
man,
is
where
what.
you doubt man,
Tamarind.
Google.
Google it.
Yeah.
Right here in Jamaica. Take it to you. Tamarind. Move forward.
That one is good.
Not telling you nothing when I
But me have to remember, you know, remember say this used to stop people from people bed and them.
That's
thing
why
there.
if it took up couple
So
and put in a
you
one
know, you shouldn't even have share this. Me will understand if you're selfish today or nothing. You understand? Yeah, that one you look healthy. Look how you eat it. You make sure it's said good and tum 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 tum. Look up in the sky. It's a yeah.
Much chatting, man. That one is nice. You want a piece of this?
No, me love. That one is nice. That one is sweet. That one you come here with sugar dash upon it.
One, yeah?
But me tell you, the sour one have to cut nature and help you stop people bed. That's why you get the sour one. God moves in a mysterious way. This nice.
Alright. Jerome.
Check the brakes first, you know.
Jerome, you sure you know one?
In a time like this, Jerome, you sit down good. Understand, say, he's a single mother, you know. Hey! Lord Jesus, Lord God. And my son love me to my heart. You understand?
Never give a phone number so we can call it, you know. Yeah, Jerome?
You're supposed to, then, Lord,
Boy, I tell you, hey.
Jerome, hey! Oh my God! Hey, that tappy ball out, Raquel, you make it look like we are covered. No, you make it look like we are covered. Me no run that covered joke, they understand? Me no eat too much breadfruit. Lord Jesus. People they see what we are going with food, no? Just for who, no? Oh God, see it another steep, you look deep.
Hey, you see when you say we are take it to, no?
We
Eh?
really take it to
Really are take it to.
see it now? Roller coaster.
Let me tell you something.
Go down in it now, Jerome. Go down in it. You can't run like a joke.
I forgot to take some of them fever grass when we're done.
Hey, yeah man, can make good
things.
Yeah, because watch this, hold on there, Jerome. Make me show you people the go on. You see this?
No, you can't just grab it up say in your hand with tear.
Tear, yeah. Watch your head back there, Jerome. You see that busha? That busha? This name, fever grass. You understand? When you have fever, you drink it.
I want to hear what kind of fever, what kind of foolishness that?
No, I joke me I make. No, me I tell you.
What the real name feed? The name lemongrass. Look here, man.
Lemongrass?
Lemongrass.
Oh, me never
So
know.
you can, so you can Google it, people. Me I tell you, say Jamaica have beer medicine.
Yeah.
Beer medicine.
Fever grass are one of the best drinking tea ever.
Yeah, man.
The bush,
Yeah, man.
nice. It's nice. It have a nice little sugary taste to it. It's nice, man. It's bossy, man. Bossy.
People, it is now time for us to go. We are leaving Constant Spring Golf Club. It was a really good day. We just said bye-bye to Mr. Jerome and we're leaving. My gosh, what a day.
As always, you know, after a long day, hungry take we. So, you see me now, I'm there on fasting. Some people say them there on fasting. Now we are lined up to buy food.
Yeah, me I wonder if we could have just done a video here without any eating. Something because you
must be mad.
initiate this.
You must be mad. I run them joke them man. From you hungry if you eat food, bridging. So we are waiting for the food, isn't it? We are going to wait.
We're going to eat something. I'm not even watch a video me I eat because guess what? They say Uno always I say Raquel I eat all the while. Watch this. No eating.
I lie, I tell.